guys, I have a whole bunch of food set out on my table with a theme, and I want to show you a few of them. I want you to see if you can guess any guesses. Chickpeas, sesame tahini. Okay, so the reason I'm showing you this is that these foods are associated with what's called the earth element in Chinese medicine. It's the season of late summer. Now, in our culture, in Western culture, we don't talk about late summer, but in Chinese medicine, it's a specific season, and we can align ourselves. We can do things in our lives and how we eat to really bring more balance this time of year and to benefit our immune system going into the fall. I start this by saying, a lot of you have been with me from the beginning, since I started writing recipes like 25 years ago. And thank you for always trusting my work and loving what I'm bringing to you and being on my newsletter list and such. I started learning about Chinese medicine maybe about 4 or 5 years ago. And then I found Fascia Flow a few years ago. And what was really cool was that I had already started learning about Chinese medicine, and then I found this movement that changed my body, took the pain out of my body, and it also is connected to Chinese medicine and the meridians of energy in the body. So, of course, I wanted to bring this into my recipe work as well. This season of late summer, the color is yellow and the flavor is sweet. There are energetics associated with every season. In a day or two, as soon as I can get it all organized, I'm going to be releasing a little ebook called the Earth Element, Vegan Earth Element ebook. And it includes recipes and also information for you about this season, what you can do to really bring balance, feel your best this time of year. And not just this time of year, but help set up your wellness moving into the fall. Because this time of year, the organs that are associated with the earth element are the stomach and pancreas, spleen. And when we nourish our bodies, that energy moves into the fall to help set up the foundation of our immune system. So setting ourselves up for success by connecting with the energetics of this season to move into fall and winter. It's really brilliant. So some of the things we can do are eat more of the foods that are seasonal this time of year. So I showed you yellow foods like yellow zucchini, patty pan squash, yellow beans. They're not yellow, but carrots. It's close. Seasonal melons and other foods. You don't have to eat just yellow, of course. Chickpeas, sesame seeds, sweet potatoes and potatoes. The quality of the foods is sweet, and it means naturally sweet. So things like millet, brown rice, nuts, like cashew, things that have an inherent sweetness, not refined sugar. This really nourishes the earth element organs and brings a great energy moving into the fall. There are other things we can do as well, lifestyle, to feel more grounded and enjoy really the bounty of this time of year. So nature's at its ripest. We're getting all this gorgeous harvest, and we're meant to use it to our best to go forward. So I want to share this with you. And if you're on my newsletter, you're going to get the information when it comes out. If you're not, then how about comment Earth, and we will set you up on the newsletter so that when the ebook comes out, you will get the information. And it includes that delicious 2-ingredient crispy tofu recipe that you've seen online. And the reason it includes it, because guess what? Both soy and the other magic ingredient are earth element foods. Isn't that great? I know, it's so fun. I should have worn yellow, except I do not have any yellow in my closet. So this is as close as it gets. Okay, guys, reach out if you have any questions. I hope you're excited about it. I'm excited to bring it to you, and we'll get that in your inbox super soon.